In this video, we're making this easy and delicious egg masala or anda masala. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, in a pan, add in the oil and heat it on medium flame until it's hot enough. Then add in the onions. Season them with salt as needed. I used about a teaspoonful. And then cover and cook the onions on low flame for 4 minutes or so until they're translucent. Then add in the ginger garlic paste and mix that in. Also add in the tomatoes and the chilies and mix them in. Again, cover and cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes till the tomatoes have cooked. Once done, mix in the mutton masala. As soon as the masala is mixed in, add in the eggs and mix those in because you do not want the masala to burn. You're again going to cover this and cook on low flame for 5 minutes till the eggs have nicely absorbed the masala. And your egg masala is ready. Taste and adjust the salt according to your preference. And then serve this hot with some bread, roti or rice and enjoy. I really hope you try this out and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you soon.